Hey everyone, quick question. What happens when you drop an entire kilogram of a mysterious, reactive powder into water? Explosion? Smoke? A magical reaction? Well, you're about to find out, because today I'm doing something I've never done before. I'm risking my own safety for science, and you're coming along for the ride. But hey, real quick, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss more crazy experiments like this. Alright, let's dive in. So a while back, I posted a video where I promised that if we got 100 flashlight reactions, yes, literal flashlights, I'd take this entire 1 kilogram pack of a substance called sodium and drop the whole thing into a body of water. Well, the community delivered. You smashed that goal, so here we are. A promise is a promise. Now this isn't just 10 grams or 500 grams. We're talking a full 1 kilogram of this powder. And yes, I have my helmet ready, because once this stuff hits the water, I don't know what's going to happen. If you've seen my earlier video, you already know a bit about this compound and how dangerous or fascinating it can be. But if you haven't, don't worry, I've got the link down in the description. You have to check it out to understand what we're really dealing with here. Trust me, it's worth watching. Okay, so I packed everything up and headed out to one of my favorite locations. A quiet, open place with a huge water body. No one around, no distractions. Just me, the powder, and the water. Why this place? Because if anything goes wrong, I don't want anyone nearby. And I want space, a lot of space. I brought along my trusty helmet, gloves, and some tools to make sure everything stays under control, or as controlled as possible when you're about to cause a chemical reaction that could possibly echo for miles. So here's the plan. I took the powder and carefully packed it inside a plastic bag that had small perforations, holes designed to let water seep in slowly. This isn't something you do randomly. You need precision and patience. The moment water enters the plastic bag and mixes with the powder, well, let's just say you don't want to be standing too close. This is the first time I've tried this with a full kilogram, and honestly, I have no clue what's about to happen. 3, 2, 1, and into the water it goes. Boom. Within seconds, a loud explosion echoed across the water. No, I'm not exaggerating. This wasn't just a pop. It was like a mini sonic boom that traveled for kilometers. I could feel the ground vibrate beneath my feet. But here's the crazy part. Just as the plastic bag hit the water and exploded, the skies opened up and it started pouring rain. Like nature itself was reacting to what we just did. Unfortunately, because of the rain, I had to quickly grab the camera and move it to safety. That's why I couldn't capture the entire aftermath like I'd planned. And just when I thought it was over, a large chunk of the burst material landed just inches away from our feet. I'm not gonna lie, my heart skipped a beat. That was way too close. So yeah, this didn't go 100% to plan. But hey, that's science. Sometimes it's messy, sometimes it's unpredictable, and sometimes it's flat out insane. Now before we wrap up, I want to talk about something serious. In countries like mine, and even in places around the world, there are still people who believe in superstition and so-called magical items. Many self-proclaimed spiritual leaders take advantage of people by performing so-called miracles using simple science tricks like these. But here's the truth, there's nothing magical about this, it's just chemistry. When you understand what's really happening at the molecular level, you stop being fooled by those fake miracles. So the next time someone tries to convince you they can summon explosions or smoke with some secret ritual, you'll know better. Just smile and walk away, or send them this video. Alright guys, that's all I've got for today. I hope you enjoyed this explosive journey. I put myself in some serious risk to bring this to you, and I'll probably do it again, because, well, science is worth it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps more people find educational content like this. And don't forget to subscribe for more insane experiments, tricks, and myth-busting videos. Stay curious, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one with something even crazier. Peace out.
This amazing experiment has been done by the talented Indian YouTuber Mr. Indian Hacker, who is known for his creative, mind-blowing tricks and viral science experiments.